it. Okay. This is strong. Oh my God, what a view. Welcome back to rural exploration. Let's go climb some fucking massive bridges, huh? They're a little bit higher than this, and they have an even steeper cliff below them, so let's go. See the stick? See that 300-foot cliff? Let's see if I can make it in the water, huh? That sounded like tree. God damn it. Okay, let's go. All right, this is the same jungle as my last video where I climbed the waterfalls. And in that video, we only went about maybe 100 feet up the cliff. This time, we're gonna do the full 300, full 400 feet. And it's gonna be some crazy views at the top. Oh yeah, there's the walkway right there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it. All right. Oh, there it is. It's very, very, very steep. I've got a few steps to go, but it's so slippery. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Okay, that's looking good. Now I gotta get onto these metal platforms. How does this work? All right, let's see. Yeah, that's the road right there. What about behind this? Oh yeah, that's how you get in right there. Okay. No one can see shit. Oh, here's the entrance to the bridge. The scaffolding is sketchy as fuck. I don't even know if this bridge has a view because of all the plastic. I'm just gonna go to the other side and see what's there. Sturdy. Buckhorn. Sketchy as fuck. I really hope there's an opening in these blankets, otherwise there isn't going to be a view. I might have to go to the next bridge down if I want the view. So you can see here, now the sun is hitting the siding. This is where we are above the tree line. We're about maybe a third of the way down the bridge. Made it. This is what I've been walking through the whole time. This bridge didn't have any view because this tunnel spanned the whole way, so you can't see through it. But I'm gonna go down the path a little bit further to an even taller bridge, and I'm pretty sure it won't have this tunnel, so we'll get a really nice view. Holy fuck. Huge avalanche just happened here. Look at all these trees that fell down the cliff. We get around this? Holy fuck, the whole cliff slid down. We're coming up on the second bridge now. Yeah, I think this one's a little bit taller as well. This is terrific. It's right above the stream, which cuts the tree line, so you have the view when you're on the bridge. Fuck, there's the bridge. It's reflecting the trees. Even the bridge is green. There's no way I'm getting up that slope. That's pretty much vertical and it's covered in leaves. So I'm gonna go over here, backtrack a little bit, and then go up this way to the next bridge connection point. But yeah, you see that side, you can't climb up it because it's all trees. But over here, we have this beautiful bed of rocks. It's so wobbly. Can you see that? Can you see how wobbly it is? It's all bent. Fuck. Fuck it, we ball. Also, that doesn't look like it's joined at all. That looks like it's just resting there. See, before they put these platforms up, all you had was this little ledge here, which is quite literally suicidal to do this the whole way across. You've got no foot room at all. Let's catch some nice views. Oh, that is so wobbly. And it has holes in it. Oh no. It's all starting to get a little bit scary now. That fall would hurt. Fuck me, man. It's a steep drop off. You can see we're not even attached to the bridge by anything, by just cables. This is a levitating platform that I'm on, and it feels it too. Huh. Danger tape on a fucking 400-foot bridge. Yeah, I don't think that means anything. Look how big these leaves are. Oh my god. I was gonna say that's as big as my head, but that's as big as my like entire torso. Holy crap, man. Not gonna make it though. Jump. Oh. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to get back up that. Like, oh. Well, that's whatever. Let's go back down. Okay. Back across. Finito. Right, there's one thing that I forgot to do. I think you know what that is. Okay, time to carry this to the very center. Oh. Big rock, big cliff, big drop. 3, 2, 1. Nice.